Hi educators! Welcome to our how-to video on using Quizlet, the ultimate tool to enhance your classroom learning experience. My name is Judith, a teacher with over 10 years of experience, and just like you, I'm consistently looking for ways to re-engage my students. And today, I'll guide you through the ins and outs of Quizlet, from signing up to creating study sets and sharing them with your class. If you're ready, let's dive in! First things first, what exactly is Quizlet? Quizlet is an online learning platform that offers a variety of study tools, making it easy for both teachers and students to create and access study materials. Here are a few things that Quizlet does for teachers. First of all, it's free to sign up. Second, when you're creating these materials, it can be tailored exactly to your class needs. Students can have access to your study sets and study sets from other teachers as well. In this video, we'll go over signing up, making study sets, and sharing and collaborating on Quizlet. Let's get started signing up for Quizlet. First, go to quizlet.com/teachers. Here, you can sign up for a free account using Gmail, Facebook, or another email. Once there, go ahead and explore all the cool features Quizlet has to offer. When you're signing up, Quizlet will suggest a username for you. Go ahead and see if you like it. If you don't, you can create your own. I did Miss YDN, my initial and my last name. This is so it's easy for my students to find me, since there are tons of teachers out there. If you decide that you don't like it later on, you can change it one more time. Let's get started making a study set. This is where Quizlet truly shines. Start off at the homepage and click on your class. To create a new set, find the plus sign. Down here, you'll be able to see previous sets. Go ahead and enter your title and description. You can either enter the information manually or import from another document. If you are importing, make sure that it fits the format. Mine doesn't fit the format, so I'm going to go ahead and click comma because that's easier for my brain to see. Double check everything and click import. You can also add images if you'd like. Now create. Congratulations! You've made your first study set. It should look like this. Here, you can see the features that students can use in order to study these sets. They can either use flashcard, learn mode, test, play a matching game, or chat with an AI bot. One of my favorite things about Quizlet is that it offers different formats. That way, you're able to tailor it to different learning styles. Feel free to also get creative and cater it to your lesson plans. Once you created your study set, it should show up in your class. Click on the share button and you'll get a unique link to your set. You can share via email, send the URL, or share directly to Google Classroom. Additionally, you can explore Quizlet's vast library of user-created sets by searching for specific topics or browsing categories relevant to your subject. Sharing and finding study sets is a fantastic way to collaborate with other educators and benefit from the wealth of resources available on Quizlet. It's a community of educators helping each other enhance learning experiences for our students. What's really cool is that students can also make their own study sets. They can share it with their friends and study together. And there you have it, educators. Quizlet is a powerful tool to make learning fun and effective, from creating study sets to sharing resources. Quizlet is your go-to platform for interactive and engaging learning experiences. So, go ahead, sign up, create those study sets, and watch your students thrive. Thanks for joining me today. Happy teaching.